Beneath the sunlit surface of the Mediterranean lies a world of extraordinary life. That richness is not just beautiful, it's functional. These ecosystems help produce oxygen, recycle nutrients, support fisheries, and keep our climate in balance. At the heart of the Mediterranean's living web lies a silent architect. A forest, not of trees, but of a marine plant found nowhere else on Earth. POSidonia oceanica. POSidonia is a flowering plant with roots, stems, and leaves, often mistaken for seaweed. It spreads across the seabed in dense underwater meadows, creating shelter and nursery grounds for countless creatures. A healthy meadow helps oxygenate coastal waters and support the balance of life above it. Under good conditions, each square meter can release up to 14 liters of oxygen every day. And as the world warms, POSidonia becomes a powerful climate ally, capturing carbon and locking it away in the seabed for thousands of years. Its dense roots bind the seabed, trap sediment, keep the water clear, and shield our beaches from erosion. In many places, POSidonia is not just part of the ecosystem, it is its foundation. Yet this ancient ecosystem is in grave danger. Across the Mediterranean, it is estimated that over 30% of these vital meadows have been lost in the last 50 years. A decline driven by coastal development and human activity. Here in Cyprus, POSidonia still carpets significant stretches of the seabed along our coasts. Losing them means losing an irreplaceable part of our natural heritage and leaving our own shores defenseless. This is where our story begins. This is RESPOSCY, Cyprus's first national POSidonia restoration project, bringing together marine biologists, researchers, and trained volunteer divers to help degraded meadows recover. This is our mission. This is RESPOSCY.